Take a raw steak and boil it in water. It turns gray, tough, and tastes incredibly bland. Now take that exact same piece of meat and drop it onto a scorching cast iron pan. Suddenly, it becomes one of the most irresistible foods on the planet. The meat hasn't changed. The ingredients are the same. So why does one taste like a wet shoe and the other make your mouth water? It is the single most important chemical catalyst in the history of cooking. The same reason bread gets a golden crust, coffee beans turn dark and rich, and roasted garlic tastes sweet. It is called the Maillard reaction. French chemist Louis-Camille Maillard discovered it in 1912. At its core, it is a violent chemical collision. At room temperature, amino acids, the building blocks of proteins and the natural sugars inside your food, ignore each other. They are dormant. But the moment that extreme heat hits, they slam together. They fuse, break apart, and restructure themselves. They don't just merge, they multiply. This high-heat collision instantly creates hundreds of brand new, highly complex flavor compounds called monoidins that did not exist in the raw ingredients. This biological transformation is known as the amidori rearrangement. It is the absolute molecular difference between boiling your food and searing it. This brings us to the architecture of cooking. To trigger this catalyst, you need a temperature of at least 285 degrees Fahrenheit. But there is an enemy to this reaction: water. Water boils and turns to steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. If your food is wet, it will literally steam itself before it can ever reach the Maillard threshold. This is why elite chefs obsessively pat their proteins dry before cooking, or leave them uncovered in the fridge overnight. You have to remove the surface water to unlock the chemistry. But why do we crave it? Why does the smell of baking bread or roasted coffee instantly trigger our brains? The answer is in our biology. Millions of years ago, early humans discovered that cooked food was safer to eat and packed with easily digestible calories. Our brains have evolved to hunt for that specific roasted taste, and that signature smell of roasted coffee, toasted bread, and seared steak, it comes from volatile air molecules called pyrazines, which are also formed because of the heat. So when you taste the Maillard reaction, your brain is rewarding you. The next time you fire up a pan, remember, you are not just making dinner, you are running a deeply scientific chemistry lab. Welcome to Eat Science.